Have you guys ever heard of the alphabet pattern, which is something that people manipulate the terminal to look like something like A is the first letter, so A prints one time, B prints twice, C prints thrice, and so on and so forth. Get it? You know, thrice, fourth. Okay. Anyways, I'm not ending this video until I figure out how to do that. Well, not everything, but yeah, I can definitely try. Alright, so upon first glance, I can tell that it's gonna be just a bunch of for loops. If my best guess is right. So yeah, I'm just gonna try something like for that, and then there are 26 letters, so I can say I is less than 26, and then make it an increment I, like so. And now we're gonna need. Actually, what do we need? Okay. Okay, I think we can use maybe like a string method. I don't know. So private static pattern, and then we're gonna need to get for loop uses integers, so we can say integer number. And then yeah, in here I think we're going to use a string builder, because if we're gonna get multiple, then we're definitely gonna need a string builder. So string builder. All right, so let's think about it for a bit. Okay, so we need like A to print out one time, and then B to print out once. I mean twice, and then three. So I guess we just need to print out. Okay, this is gonna be a bit weird, but okay, so let's try like four. We're gonna have another for loop. So int I is going to be equal to 0 as well. I is going to be less than the number that we get, and then I increment something like this. Okay, so I think now I just need to append. So I can say text.append, and now we're going to need some sort of like an alphabet. Now, initially I would have to create one right now, but I happen to already have one because I created one. So I'm gonna say we're gonna alphabet this class dot get alphabet letters dot get the value at index I. So I think something like that will work. And then once we've appended it, we're going to return. Wait, what are we going to return? Okay, we're going to return text to string. Yeah, I think something like that. Something like that should work. I'm thinking. So, anyways, I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, this should definitely work. And then here we just need to actually print out. So SOUT pattern with I as the parameter. And now we can run this and hopefully it should work. Okay. 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 Oh, wait, I think. Oh, wait, okay, so there's this space which isn't supposed to exist, and then there's, yes, there's that, and then AB. All right, so this isn't exactly what we're going for, but I think it works. Also, it's supposed to end with the Z, Z. So I guess we need to increase this with what is less than 27. I guess that'll work. Or we could just say is less than or equal to 26. That also works. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this one definitely works all the way to Z, but then there's a few things that we need to correct. So first of all, this is supposed to be an A. Oh yeah, and also it needs to be AA and then BB, CC, DD, that kind of thing. Okay. So getting I will change according to what we're getting. So AB. Wait, maybe we need to get the number? Oh dear. Exception in third main, index 26, out of bounds for left 26. Okay, so this has now become an issue. Yeah, less than 26. I think that should work. But yeah, we're kind of getting what we want. All right, that works. And it's, oh my God. Okay, so first of all, it's supposed to be A here and then B, B, C. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know, but then doesn't this mean that there's like 25 of these here? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. How do we do this? I need to somehow get rid of this. Okay, so I have an idea. If number is equal to 0, we're going to return just the letter A. That's promising. Okay, so we have an A, but then A, B, no, it's supposed to be two B's. Okay, okay. Wait, maybe if we set it to be I is equal to what? Maybe truth? And okay, so it skips B entirely. What? Okay. Okay. So clearly this is supposed to remain a 0, but then here we're getting this, right? But maybe we need to set it to be a 1 here, and then yeah, okay, will never be 0, so we can remove this. Right, wait, what? Yeah, I don't think it'll be 0, so we can remove that and see what we get. And we got, it starts with B. Okay, so it skipped we don't have that blank line, but then it's not starting from A either. If we want to get the first letter, we're going to have to get index 0, but this one is going to be index 1, so it'll start from B. We want to start from B minus 1, which should be A. Okay, so yes, okay, so we start from A and then B, B, C, C, yes. But then now we're actually ending at Y, which man, I just fixed this. Okay, no, this time we're actually going to do this. Okay. Moment of truth. Yes, it works. So it's like A and then B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, 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 G. And then, yeah, I'm gonna assume that there's 27 of these here. All right, so yeah, the way that you have patterns is like, I think you're just gonna have to have these loops like maybe alternating. So we're gonna duplicate this, and then for neatness purposes, and then we're going to need to invert this loop. So I is equal to 26, and then this is greater than 1, and then we're going to decrement it. Wait, but then if it's 1, it's going to return 0. Okay, wait, what? I think this might work. All right, so we got the Z, and then but then it ends at B, which okay. But this is what, but then also I want the pattern to stop at Z, and then from Z it should just start then X and then start over. So I think we can start this from maybe 5, and then we can I think okay, we're gonna say 0 then. It's gonna start from that and then end at 0. Let's see if this works. Yes, and boom. Yep, that works. Okay, that definitely works. Also, for readability purposes, we're gonna put this maybe somewhere here, and yeah. All right, so that works. All right, so I think we can now loop this in for a couple more times by just duplicating, and then let's run this and see what output we get. And yep, yeah, that definitely works. Okay, this is not supposed to happen. This is not supposed to be happening here. We're not supposed to be getting an A, because yeah, there's 2 A's here. Let's fix that. I think I'll be completely happy if we can fix that. So we need to fix something with this loop here. Wait, is that the one? Yeah. Okay, so it's either we remove the final part from this, or we fix this one to start from B, maybe? I don't know. Okay, I think we can start from, yeah, let's just say maybe 2. Yeah, I think this should work, in theory. I don't even know if it's running, mate. I kind of put in the wrong position now, didn't I? Yeah, but it seems to have worked. So we've got A, B, 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 all that good stuff. And then, yes, right there. Okay, so I think this is how people like make sculptures, or maybe use the robots to shape beams, or maybe metal objects, metalworks. I think this is how they do it. But I mean, to get this to just change from here and then make like maybe like a wave shape, I feel like that would require a lot more knowledge, and my brain cells are kind of fried because I've spent like a decent 20 minutes on this project. So yeah, I think this is as good as a time as any to stop. So yeah, this is pretty cool. But then people actually make pyramids with this, and a pyramid, I would need to number the spaces that we have. So this would need to start somewhere where the Z ends, and then it just gets lower and lower. I have absolutely no idea how to implement that. Maybe if I had like 26 spaces before it, maybe, I don't know. I actually have no idea. All right, so that would be the alphabet pattern in Java, and yeah, it's a lot. It gets a lot more complex than this. So I'm really sorry. This was a bit underwhelming, but yeah, I mean, it's a start. I can definitely play around with this and make like a dedicated video when I officially figure out. Oh, I could just watch a tutorial, but no, that's not the fun way of learning. Hope you guys learned a little something. Yeah, this video is meant to maybe teach you if you do know how to do it. I mean, I figured it out just right now. The past 20 minutes spent trying to figure this out. It works. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.